halwa. Meenu, will you tell me a story? I am so bored.
Okay, come here. I will tell you the story of the mother hen and her 5 chicks.
That will be fun, Meenu.
One day, the hen was eating her grains. Her 5 chicks came to her and asked her to make halwa for them. The hen said that she did not have ghee and sugar and so could not make halwa. The chicks started jumping up and down and flapping their wings. They started crying. They wanted to eat halwa. So the hen took her basket and left for the market. The 5 chicks followed her.
Can you please give me 1 kilo of sugar? How much is it?
19 rupees, madam.
Here, take this 50 rupees and give me back the balance.
Thank you, madam. Here is your balance money.
Ma, how much money has he given back?
He has given back 31 rupees.
Is it correct, Ma? How do you check?
Okay, get me a twig. I will tell you. Ones and tens. I gave him 50 rupees. So, I will write 5 under tens and 0 under ones. The sugar was for 19 rupees. So, I will write 1 under tens and 9 under ones. Now, tell me, should I add or subtract?
You should subtract, Ma. You paid 50 rupees, but the sugar is only for 19 rupees. The shopkeeper has to give you the balance money, so you should subtract.
Very good. Now, let me subtract. So, it is 50 minus 19. But I can't take away 9 from 0. I have to borrow from tens. So I write a small 1 here. Then I will cut this 5 and write 4.
Why do you cut the 5 and write 4?
Because we have to borrow 1 from tens. See, I wrote 1 here.
Now I know. Now I can subtract easily. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So it is 31. That's right then. The shopkeeper gave you back 31 rupees.
Okay. Now, let's go and buy some ghee. Can you please give me 1 kilo of ghee? Here, take this money. I have given you 247 rupees. How much is the ghee for? Remember to give back my balance money.
Madam, the ghee is for 149 rupees. Here is your balance 76 rupees.
Ma, let us check if he has given the correct money back. I will do it now. Let me write it on the mud. 100, 10, 1. 2, 4, 7, minus 1, 4, 9. I cannot take away 9 from 7. So I will write a small one here. I will cut 4 and write 3. Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Oh, I cannot take away 4 from 3. What do I do now?
It is easy. Just borrow from hundreds, like the way you did before.
Okay, so I will write a small one here next to 3. Then I will cut 2 and write 1. Now it is easy. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, the answer is 98. Ma, am I right? You have given back less money.
Children, I was not cheating you. I don't know subtraction well. You tell me how much more I have to return to you. I will give it to you.
Uncle, I will tell you. You have to give us 98 rupees. You give us 76 rupees. Now let me subtract 8 minus 6 . 9 minus 7 . 2. So you have to give us 22 rupees more. Ma, I am going to check my answer now. Let me add 22 and 76. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 98. Oh, my answer is right.
I am sorry, madam. Here, please take this 22 rupees.
Thank you.
Ma, it is good to know addition and subtraction. Then no one can cheat us.
Yes, children. Everyone should learn to add and subtract. Then you will not be cheated. Children, we spent 19 rupees on sugar and 149 rupees on ghee. Can you tell me how much we spent today?
I will tell you, Ma. I have to add 19 and 149. Let me write it with this small stick. 100, 10, 1, 4, 9 plus 1, 9. Now I have to add 9 and 9. I will write 8 here under ones and write a small one on top here under tens. Now I will do 1 plus 4 plus 1. equal to 6. I will write 6 here under 10. Now I will add the hundreds. It is just 1. So it is 160. Ma, we spent 168 rupees today.
That's right. Let us go home now and make the halwa.
Meenu, that was a nice story. The hen must have made sweet halwa for her chicks. I am very hungry now.
Oh, Buzz. We have to go to the market now and buy rice for Ma. You can drink some honey on the way.
Oh, market? That's fun, Meenu. Come, let's go.
Buzz, look here. There are lots of flowers here.
Let me go and drink some honey. Meenu, I counted the flowers. There are 58 yellow flowers and 93 pink flowers.
Buzz, now can you tell me how many more pink flowers are there?
Let me try. Wait, Meenu, I will write it first like this. Tens, ones, 9, 3, minus 5, 8. I cannot take away 8 from 3. So I will borrow from tens. Let me write a 1 near 3 and cut 9 and write 8. Now 13 minus 8 equal to 5. Then 8 minus 5 equal to 3. That is 35. So there are 35 more pink flowers. Meenu, can I also check the answer like the chick?
Yes, Buzz, you can.
Now I will add the answer 35 with 58. Let me write it again. 5, 8, plus 3 5. I will add the ones first. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. I will write 3 here and take the 1 to the tens. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 9. It is 93. I am right, Meenu. I am right.
Yes, Buzz. See, you can check your answers like this to know if you are right. Now, let's buy rice for Ma. Hello, Uncle. How much is the rice for?
Hello, Meenu. The rice is 15 rupees a kilo.
Uncle, can you please give me 2 kilos of rice?
Yes, Meenu.
Meenu, look. This biscuit packet is for 10 rupees.
So, the price of 1 kilo of rice is 5 rupees more than this biscuit packet. Look, the price of this oil is 60 rupees. So, it costs 50 rupees more than the biscuit packet.
How, Meenu?
Buzz, look, the price of oil is 60 rupees and the price of the biscuit packet is 10 rupees. What should we do to find out how much 13 is 10 plus 3. So first we will do 29 minus 10. It is 19. Now we will subtract 3 more. 19 minus 3 is equal to 16. So 29 minus 13 is equal to 16. So 16 books will be left with me. Since it is fun to add and subtract numbers in your mind, will you do one with me? Let's start. There are 10 mangoes here. There are 13 apples here. Can you tell me how many fruits are there in all?
Shall we do the following? Take out a pencil and a notebook to do the sums. Can you give the answers loudly so that I can hear you? 420 plus 318. 738. 557 plus 44. 601. 638 minus 312. 326. 442 minus 309. 133. 295 plus 47. 342. 342 743 minus 437 . 306. Pallavi had 547 rupees with her. She bought books for 289 rupees. How much money does she have now? $258. Pallavi has 258 rupees now. Sita bought 1 kilo ghee for 164 rupees and 10 kilos of rice for 220 rupees. How much did she spend in all? $384. Sita spent 384 rupees. In a cricket match between England and India, England scored 283 runs in 50 overs. India has already scored 149 runs. How many more runs should India score to win the match? $135. India has to score 135 more runs to win the match. There are 387 yellow flowers in a garden. There are 149 red flowers in that garden. How many more yellow flowers are there? $238. There are 238 more yellow flowers in the garden. Priyanka is 13 years old. Her grandmother is 72 years old. How much younger is Priyanka to her grandmother? $59. Priyanka is 59 years younger to her grandmother. In a jungle, there are 112 monkeys, 78 deer, 83 rabbits, 49 elephants, 4 lions, and 2 tigers. How many animals are there in all? $328. There are 328 animals in all. Shall we check if the subtraction is correct? 145 minus 74 is equal to 71. 71 plus 74 is equal to 145. $197 minus 149 is equal to 48. 48 plus 149 is equal to 197. $394 minus 287 is equal to 107. 107 plus 287 is equal to 394. $742 minus 369 is equal to 373. 373 plus 369 is equal to 742. 683 minus 297 is equal to 386. 386 plus 297 is equal to 683.